Designed with the professional trades in mind, the Ox Pro Adjustable T-Square is an essential tool for marking angles on plasterboard, plywood, panelling, fibre cement and other job site materials. Durable, versatile and dynamic. Constructed from tough, anodised aluminium, this adjustable T-square is truly built to last. The sliding T-head adjusts from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, giving you the ability to mark more accurate angles. Strong screw lock and collapsible design. Folds down into a slimline position for easy storage and transportation. ABS end caps for dual ledge stabilisation provides a hands-free hold for eliminating movement while marking important layouts and measurements. With high visibility, printed metric scale and etched angle markings for long-lasting durability, the Ox Pro Adjustable T-Square is a superior choice for plasterers and other trade professionals demanding high accuracy and tested durability. No bull, just Ox.